well. My phone overheated. Okay, so I'm back until it does it again. I don't know what the heck? The heck is that? I don't even know what these are. What could they be? What the hell? What? I honestly, I have no idea what they are. What are they? Oh. Oh, why did I get so many? There's one. They're spouts. 4 spouts. I wonder if they work. Oh, well, see, that's not going to work. It's holding up my cab. It's holding up the shelf. That's what they are. They're 4 spouts. So, I need to get some bottles to put them in. Right? Okay. I don't know why I got so many. Stocking stuffers, maybe? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a set of 6. Interesting. Alright. 6 4 spouts. That's what I got here. Soft eyebrow. I got a couple of eyebrow pencils. Sight unseen. I'd like to see one though. Oh, to open the package. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, it's not hard at all. Alright, let me throw that away. It's a 2. No, I think I got this. 2 of these? One right here. Oh, it looks fancy. It looks just like my other ones. Langman. I think that's right there. Oh, my soundboard's going dead. There we go. That's what it looks like. My soundboard is going dead. I hope you can still hear me. That's the spoolie. Yep, it looks just like the ones I have now in there, but they have pink on them. And I got 2 of them. 2 of the same, yes. This box is damaged. Oh, it's in there. Thought it was an empty box there for a second. So I got 2 of the eyebrow pencils in brown or mahogany, whatever that is. And this is the company, if you can see it without. 2 eyebrow pencils. And throw that box away because this box was not damaged. Both back in this box. Okay, 2 of those. Okay, so now why on earth would I get 2? 2. I only have 1 phone to use. Right? Makes sense. Some of this stuff is double. They just grab it and toss it in the box, right? Good, right? Sure enough. Why would I buy 12 of the bottle stoppers? Why would I have 12 bottles like that? I don't have any bottles like that, so. But the one, like, I don't think it's disposable. It's something you can reuse, that's for sure. Oh, wow. I don't know. It's like a selfie stick. Right? Is that where the phone goes? Oh, yeah. It has a spring. It has a spring on it, and this tightens this down. Right? Tightens that down. What? It's charge. Where? What the hell? Is this? Oh, there we go. There we go. Look at that. That's how tall it is. It's no taller than that. Okay, well that's it. Well, wait a second. We don't have the legs out yet. Does this have legs? It shows it has legs on the picture. See? Shows it has legs. I want to see where the legs are. Oh, do I have to charge it to get the legs out? Are the legs? No. That's why it's that way. I don't know how to get the legs out. This is, I can see that it does come apart with 3 things, but how do you do it is the question. And there's an electric button here. I think it has to be charged, but what do I charge it with? Where do I charge it? That's a good question. Oh. Uh-oh. What's in here? What is this, a remote control? Look at this itsy bitsy tiny remote. I don't know how to put a battery in here. Excuse me. Pardon me. Can I get some help over here? Aisle 1. Oh. Okay. Well, that doesn't make sense at all. Okay, I better read the instructions. Because if that's not, it must be a Bluetooth remote to oh. Oh man, it's tiny. It's a tiny stick. That's funny. I have 2 of them. And it doesn't bend. That's funny. Oh, there we go. It does go back. That's hilarious. Don't you dare bark. You're already in trouble, little mister. Alright, well, there's something there. One of those plastic coating things. There, I got it. Yeah. Why on earth? Must be a delicate spot. But I don't know. Does it lock up? Because my phone's pretty heavy. I'm not sure it would take the, okay, but anyways, so we have this, and let's put it back together. Let's see if we can put it back together. And it's travel, it's for a traveling show, right? And that clips on there, and it shuts itself off when you do that. Oh, maybe that's where it charges. I don't know. I still don't know how to charge that. And it collapses like that, all the way down. And then this piece here goes over. Wait, you gotta go down with the sides, right? And then like that, and then it closes down flat. And tighten that up so it doesn't come open. And there you go. That's pretty cool. However, I don't think 2 of them was needed. I don't think I would have ordered 2 of them. That's why I'm there. Alright, I ordered 2. But I see some things are not. I don't know, maybe everything is doubled. I have no idea. Oh, interesting. So, I have 2 of these. 2. I didn't get 2 socks. I didn't get 2 those. I have 2 of those. I don't know. I don't get it. Oh, no. What? Why on earth would I order 3? 2 in here. I threw a box away. I should not be throwing a box away. 3. I would not have ordered 3. I've never bought 3. That's it. I would want to try it first. Right? I would want to try it first. So yeah. Something else I got 2 of. Something else I got 2 of. Or 3 of. Why would I order 3 of the same thing? This is crazy. No. 4. Not 3, but 4. I don't think I ordered 4 of those. No way. 4 of those. 4 of these in the store would probably be $40, right? And all of this stuff is way less than that. Oh, look. Oh. It's a phone. It's a phone holder. That's for sure. But how do I get it to open? Uh-oh. And it's supposed to move up and down. There we go. There we go. And these are the handles. That hold the phone. It's a black one, like what I have. It's a phone holder. And I don't know if it has the capability of holding the weight of my phone. I don't know. But that's what this is. And it folds up like that. Foldable mobile phone desktop stand. That's what I have it on when I'm at my desk. And if I'm not mistaken, I thought, yeah, 2 of them. Alrighty then. And I opened one of these earlier and got 2 of these. I have no idea. What do you suppose somebody would use this for? Now I think they're just walking down the aisles of this warehouse and just tossing shit in a box. Oh, you know, she might want one of these. Because what exactly, it doesn't even say what it is. Some of the brushes need to be trimmed. They're out of control. They're bent. Uh-oh. It does cut them. Trim those bad boys right up. What is this? What do you suppose this is? Hey babe, what do you suppose this would be for?
What's that?
What do you suppose this is?
Well, what's the other stuff?
I don't fucking know, man.
No, what's all of that right there?
They're containers. Food grade. Food grade storage containers.
And you got yourself a selfie stick too?
2 of them. Everything is doubled in the box almost. Almost everything is doubled. Some things are not. You want one, babe?
I don't know, what is it?
It's a selfie stick.
Oh.
I got 2 of them.
So you got things to put food in,
Yeah.
selfie sticks, and some sort of brush.
Yeah, I have no idea what this is for. Would be used for.
Well, what's the
Okay.
what's the other end? Like, is it open-ended?
No. Nope. And it's not very comfortable. It's a handheld item. I mean, the grooves aren't right.
Brush like a, you know, put stuff on the meat.
To baste the meat? To baste meat with?
No.
I don't know. I don't think so. Otherwise, it would have a food grade symbol on it. Odd. Oh, and here's some instructions for the selfie sticks. I knew there were some instructions somewhere. Oh, and I like, are you joking? Why on earth would, why would I do this?
Well, maybe because you were asleep when you did it.
Babe, 4 keychains. The same. 4 of the same keychains.
Like I said, maybe you were asleep when you ordered it.
Maybe.
You were asleep ordering.
Oh, these are not keychains. These are, you put them on the back of your cell phone. And they're finger holder things.
Okay.
4 of them. Alright. So there's that. That's funny. And I got some stick-on Christmas fingernail stickers. They're stick-on fingernail stickers. They're kind of cute. They're for Christmas. I don't see 2 of those. Oh, here's the other of the lights. We got 2 lights. Right? 2 of these. I didn't put this one back in here. That's funny. I just tossed it in the pile. So yep, we got 2 of the lights. What is, yeah. Ooh, look furry. They're rings, apparently, or something. Rings. I don't know why I would order rings. And there's a couple more. These ones are actually heavier than... Why would I order 2 sets of the same ring? Why? I don't understand that at all. And it's like a 3-piece ring that kind of puzzles together. Pretty, but why would I order 2 of the same? I have no idea. This box is squished, and I have no idea what it is. What is this? Oh, no, wait a second. Is that what I think it is? What the hell? That's fucking cool. Oh, man. Oh, I see it's got batteries in it. It is ready to go. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Let's pull it. Pull the... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What are we doing? What are we doing? Get in there. Oops, it snaps in. What is it? Oh my god, that's adorable. Are you guys seeing this? Oh wow. How cute is that? Up, off, on. That's adorable. Are you guys seeing this? Isn't that cute? Okay, so there's that one. Let's see what the next one is. There's 3 different ones, it looks like. Uh-oh. This one's not right. Oh, you turn it and it has... Oh my goodness, are you kidding? Okay, I gotta make sure I got you in the shot here. Okay, so, isn't that pretty? Look at the candles. But it's one of these, right? Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. Are you still filming? Am I still filming? Yes, I am. Okay. This is cool. I'm going to send this to my grandson. He's going to find this to be so adorable. Look at all the photos on this little tiny ring. Okay, let me grab another one. Oh my gosh. How adorable. Oh, that's pretty cute. Merry Christmas. Oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't that adorable? Huh. Oh, I think that was, yeah, there we go. Oh my gosh. That's adorable. Okay, so we got something fun here. We have the Christmas flashlight with, oh, it's one of these thingies. So what do you call those things? So you get 3 reels of photos. 3 reels. The box is damaged a little bit, and then the flashlight. And the flashlight already comes with batteries in it, so no need for batteries there. And it doesn't really want to fit in the box either. Interesting. I think what is going on here is the 3 films need to go in after the flashlight and sit on the side of the thing. There we go. Maybe I can fix this box. There. We'll fix it a little bit. Tape it down right there. I'll just give it a little tape job. Okay, well, so there's that. And along with, oh, look at these. Okay. Okay. We only got one set of these though. Don't you know? These are pretty. Some new lights for my Christmas tree. They're battery operated. I'm not sure but look, there's snowflakes. Isn't that cool? Oh, I can't wait to show. 3 AA batteries. I got to get some AA batteries. I have 2 somewhere. My husband brought me 2. Aren't those cute? Those are going to be cute. So I'm excited to get all these new Christmas lights going too. Oh, put that back in its bag. So we got 3 things of rings. I only have 10 fingers. If they turn my fingers green, I'm going to be mad. No. I'm pretty sure it's custom green. What do we got here? This is what I've been waiting for. Oh, I can't wait. I have always wanted one of these, and I've never had one. And I've always wanted one. Look at that. I'm going to put some garlic in there and go crush. Take my knife. Yeah. Look at that. Garlic. I'm excited for this one. Definitely. That's something I can get behind. Well, we're almost to the bottom of the box. So, but did I get 2 of these? No, I only got 1. That's so weird, right? What is this? What is this? A what? Huh? Did I? I think I did. I think I did. Are you reading that? I don't know if you can read that. Nor if you can see it. Took me a minute to see what it was. Oops, I just ripped the... Oh well. I'll just rip the plastic. That's okay. That's okay, we got it. Anyway. What? Stepping up my game, people. Stepping up my game. It's chargeable. Oh my God. I'm going to put the instructions back in the box. Look what I got. I got a little speaker. I got a little clip-on microphone. We'll just clip it like that. Now you can hear me no matter where I am. Right? Oh, I'm so excited for that. But I'm pretty sure I gotta charge it first. There's 2 cords, and I'm not sure what that is. Or is that? Oh, wait, that's a battery.